go represent for Peter K. Life on YouTube. Put it on speaker, put it on YouTube. You hear that? And all up so that make every girl and boy look small right up. Tall go way up and go down. Life can.
On you guys right now, I just taking me too long. I try the one with Eco Styling Gel. I wonder if I can do one video a wash routine, but now I see I can beg chin for wash my hair and style it up, and you guys see I'm try to do the Eco Styling one. But today Sunday, I'm gonna thaw some meat in the kitchen and get some season and cook. So follow me today guys, and also I plan to like upload the videos every other day. You guys would like that, or would you like, how would you like for me to upload vlogs? I was thinking every other day would be good, but well, this actually good. I might just wash my hair and use the Eco Styling Gel and twist it up and put it out and get some curls. So yeah, and guys, you can also comment some video ideas what you want for me to do, pranks and chin and much more challenges. Just let me know. So guys, I'm going to the road now. Now get some seasoning for cook some stuff. Chin there to so chin over and I'm gonna say chin said she know I come to the vlog so right now. So we're going to the road now, so yeah. Come here though. Let's come to the end, so it's time to box up the Christmas tree for later on in the year in December 2020. So yeah. Stuff in this bag, and this is a Christmas tree, so gotta put it up for this year, December 2020. Yay! Soon Christmas again, you guys. It's Shelly rice, guys. Shelly, like, yeah. And dinner. Ooh, ooh. That was dinner. Whew, I'm tired. So I'm finished. I'm gonna eat some food now, and then I'm gonna wash my ear beard, and then I'm gonna for some ice cream. I just got Devon house, who knows. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Come here, sweat. Can't sit the 8, still to the kitchen. So yeah. I just finished washing my ear and thing. I remember said at the beginning I said I might get some Devon house ice cream. May I get that? I get that. So wanna follow me to Domino's and get some ice cream now. So yeah. They don't sound Hi, can I have 2 single scoop regular? The bottle was a free though? No. Guys, I'm just reach home like a lie. Reach home a good while now. I'm just go straight to the kitchen and start cook. Chef it up. So and then I come home and I come edit this vlog right now. So you see right now as you guys are seeing this, I'm just edit that vlog for me. Right? And what I would like for you guys to tell me which 3 or 4 days of the week you guys would want me to upload videos, or would you rather or would you want me to upload like Monday to Friday or with 3 days? Just let me know because I want to see which one you guys would want best or which days. I was thinking about maybe Monday, Wednesday and Saturday and maybe Sunday as a bonus, or so let me know. So the video already really kind of short because as you guys see, I really do nothing that day. So, but other vlogs will be coming soon, guys. Guess what? They're up on vacation. So you know, vlogs gonna be litty. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna bring you guys along my vacation the week. Like, guys, just stay tuned. If you're not subscribing, to hit the subscribe button. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Guys, check out my social, add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram. If you guys tweet, you guys can tweet me. I will retweet your tweets and all these things, and I respond to everyone DM. Okay, so don't be afraid to DM me and say, Peter Gay, wagwan, or what's up, Peter Gay, you know. So that's it for now. So time to do my shout out, guys. Remember, if you want the shout out at the end of the video, all you have to do is like, share my video and comment. I'm gonna just give you guys a shout out. My hair is curling up, but anyways, later you guys, bye.